So guys, today I'm going to show you how to use our new unclockable lace tint. Ta-da! And I'm using the color Warm Cocoa. So it's like the medium brown. Now this is the lace beforehand. It's really simple to use. You can either just go like this and spray it directly. Sorry, it's new, so I gotta, there, like that. Spray it directly onto the lace. Or, because I'm a little bit more anal and I like to have complete control, I prefer to use a brush. Spray your brush. And then stipulate it on, like that. And then I've got control of exactly where the lace tint's going. Now this one is the Warm Cocoa. It's perfect for my skin, if you're my complexion-ish. Anywhere in like the medium brown to going on the darker side, you can use our Warm Cocoa. And the thing with our lace tints is that they are buildable. So you can do one layer. If that works for you, perfect. Dry it with a blow dryer, or you can just let it sit and go. Or if you need it a little bit darker, then you put on a second layer and you just build it up until you have reached your desired tone. We've got two other what do you call it, colors. One is Sun-Kissed, and that is like a light tan, a sand color. So if you are lighter complexion, you can use that. Start with one layer. If you achieve the color that you like, then stop, dry, and wear. If you want it a little bit darker, you can add a little bit darker if you're more caramel complexion. And then we've got Cool Espresso, which is for really, really dark complexions with a more cool undertone. So I've got a warmer undertone, which is why I prefer to use the Warm Cocoa. And then I may add one or two layers as opposed to using the Cool Espresso, which has a more of a cool blue undertone and doesn't suit my complexion that well. So once you have it on, then all you're going to do is blow dry this or let it sit until it's dry, and voila, you've got yourself tinted lace, perfect for your skin tone. And the other thing is, what I find is when you use the brush to apply it, you don't get that you're darkening the knots at all. Like, it's just a much more seamless application. So it just looks a lot better, and you have more control. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. And it's wet, so I don't really want to put it on my head. But what I'll do is I'll let it dry for like 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you it on my skin. So guys, I'm back. The lace, the tint has dried. So I just want to show you what it looks like now that it's been tinted. And you can like part it anywhere. It's going to be the same. So you just spray the lace tint all over the inside of your wig. Do it like I showed you, and you're gonna have a perfect match. And this is glueless. I just threw it on just so you can see like the tint and how it works.